How to access the Twin Rivers Student Apps Portal. First, open a web browser and go to apps.twinriversusd.org. If your student has a quick card, click on the picture of a card. For all other users, click on the blue Sign In button. On the Sign In page, students will use their student ID number and their student password. If you need any assistance with this, please call the help desk at 916-566-3444. Click Sign In when ready. Once inside the Apps portal, students click on the folder of their choice, including Curriculum, which has applications like iReady and SWUN Math, in addition to many more resources. Thank you for watching this video.